Hi students, in today's video, I'll be solving questions from the chapter Sequences and Series, which was asked in 2020. 7 questions were asked. Generally, number of questions in Keam examination from this chapter, it varies in between 5 and 7. Okay, let us solve the questions. First question. The value of sigma k is equal to 1 to 10. Sigma k is equal to 1 to 10. 3k square plus 2k minus 1. Okay. Now we can separate it. This we can write as sigma k is equal to 1 to 10 k square, then 2 into sigma k equal to 1 to 10 k minus sigma k is equal to 1 to 10 1. So here we are using the result sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Similarly, sigma k is equal to 1 to n k. Sum of first n natural numbers. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. And sigma k equal to 1 to n. Say constant, say c, equal to n into c. So when we use this over here, the first term is 3 into, put n is equal to 10. So we are getting 10 into 10 plus 1, that is 11 into 2 into 10, 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 6 plus 2 into n plus 1 by 2. Put n is equal to 10. We are getting 10 into 11 divided by 2 minus n into c. That means 10 into 1. N is equal to 10. Then c is equal to 1. That constant term. You simplify this, then you will be getting 1, 2, 5, 5. Simplification. Okay. So answer for this question is 1, 2, 5, 5. That's option E. Now, let us go to the next question. The numbers A1, A2, etc. are in AP. In that AP, 3 numbers A1, A2, A6 are in GP. So you have to find out the common difference of the AP. Okay. So let us assume the AP. Let A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. be the arithmetic progression. Now, given A1, A2, A6 are GP. A1, the first term, A2, second term, A6. They are in GP, the sixth term, which implies A1 is A, comma, A plus, A2 is A plus D, comma, A6 is A plus 5D. They are in what? GP. Therefore, we know that common ratio R is equal to in GP. Second term divided by first term. That is A plus D divided by A, which is equal to third term divided by second term in GP. That is third term is A plus 5D divided by A plus D. Now, this is equal to, we are using a property which we have learned in our school days. In the ratio proportion, we have studied it. That means this is the same as difference of the numerator. That means I am subtracting a plus d from a plus 5d. So this will be equal to a plus 5d minus a plus d. Denominator also same. A plus d minus a. A plus d minus a. So difference of numerator and difference of denominator in the same model. So when you simplify this, you will be getting what? A is getting cancelled. 5d minus d is 4d. Denominator also we are getting d is equal to 4 we are getting. So ultimately what are you getting? A plus d divided by a equal to 4. So we are getting a plus d is equal to 4a. Therefore, d is equal to 3a. But here a is a1. Therefore, d equal to 3a1. So that is the answer. The common difference is equal to 3a1. So that is appearing as option C. Okay. Now the third question. In an arithmetic sequence, the sum of the first and third term is 6. So a plus d, a plus 2d. Let this be the sequence. Arithmetic, let this be the arithmetic progression. The sum of the first and third terms given. A plus third term is a plus 2d. Is equal to 6. So you will be getting 2a plus 2d equal to 6. So a plus d is equal to 3. So this is one equation in a and d. Now another equation also. Sum of second and fourth. Second term is a plus d. Fourth term is a plus 3d. Is equal to 20. So this is 2a plus 4d is equal to 20, which implies a plus 2d is equal to 10. So we got a plus d is equal to 3 and a plus 2d is equal to 10. You solve it. You will be able to find out a and d. You will be getting a is equal to minus 4, comma d is equal to 7. Okay, on simplification, you will be getting. Now, what are you being asked to find out? You are being asked to find out the 11th term. So a11. By the formula, you know it is a plus 11 minus 1, that is 10d. A is minus 4 plus 10 into d, 10 into 7 is 70. 70 minus 4 is 66. So that is the required answer that is appearing in option E. Okay. Now, the third question we have already done. Now, fourth question we are going to. In NAP, first term is 3 and the last term is 17. So A equal to 3. Last term we call it as L equal to 17. So given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Sum of all terms Sn is equal to 70. Sn, you know the formula. N by 2 into another formula for Sn is A plus L, first term plus last term, is equal to 70. So which implies N by 2 into A plus L. A is equal to 3, L is equal to 17. So which is equal to 70. So simplify this. You will be getting N is equal to, on simplification, okay, N equal to 7 you will be getting. It is a simple question. Answer for that question is option A. Now, the fifth question. Question number 5. Consider the set of all positive rational numbers that are less than 1. Positive rational numbers less than 1 and have denominators as 30, comma, denominators equal to 30. So numerator cannot be greater than, numerator must be less than 30, is it not? Yeah. Then only the rational number must be less than 1. So then their lowest. So how many numbers are there? P by Q form rational number, comma, Q is equal to 30, P less than 30. Okay. Positive. Therefore, P and Q must be co-prime numbers because it is in the lowest term. Lowest term. That means common factor of P and Q must be 1. So P and Q are co-prime numbers. P and Q are co-prime numbers. Therefore, Q can be, okay, positive means it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, they are not co-prime numbers. So next number is 7. Next is 11. Now 13. Now 17. Now 19. 23 and 29. So these are co-prime with P, that is 30, and less than what 30. Okay. Now, therefore, numbers, you can write the numbers 1 by 30, 7 by 30, 11 by 30, 13 by 30, 17 divided by 30, 19 divided by 30, 23 divided by 30, 29 divided by 30. You add it. You are being asked to find out this sum. 1 by 30 plus 7 by 30 plus etc. up to 29 by 30. When you add the numerator, you will be getting 120 and denominator is 30. So when you are dividing, you will be getting 4. 4 is the answer for this question. So answer is option D. So it is a very good question. Okay. Now let us go to the 6th question. Next question. P, Q and 23 are increasing AP. They are increasing AP. AP increasing. That means P less than Q less than 23. So P plus 23 equal to 2Q, property of AP. Okay. Therefore, 23 is equal to 2q minus p. So 2q must be greater than 23. Because 2q minus p is 23. So 2q must be greater than 23, which implies q greater than 23 divided by 2. That is 11.5. P and Q are prime numbers. That is also given. P comma Q prime. Now let us consider prime numbers which are greater than 11.5. So 13. Q is equal to 13. Then P is equal to what? 13 into 20, 13 into 2, 26 minus P, 23. So P equal to. So PQR. P is 3, Q is 13, R is 20. The third term, PQR. So this is a possibility. They are increasing. P less than Q less than 23. So in this case, P plus Q is equal to 13 plus 3. What? 16. Is it there? No, it is not. So this is one case. Now next number we take after 13, which is coming. Next prime number 17. So both should be prime. If P is 17, 17 into 2, 34. 34 minus P must be what? 9. P must be 11, not 9. Because P is equal to 34 minus 23. 23, 11. Yeah, correct. So now P plus Q is what? 17 plus 11. 17 plus 1, 18 plus 10, 28. Is it there? Yeah, 28 is there. So we have to check like this. So P is 11, and then Q is 17, and the third term is 23. They are increasing AP only. So our correct answer is option D. So you have to check like this. There are other values of P and Q. We have to take the suitable value so that it is matching with the option. Now let us go to the next question. Fifth and seventh terms of a GP. This is GP. GP, let us consider A, AR, AR squared, etc. They are terms in GP. Now, fifth term, A5, A into R raised to 4, it is given as 12. It's called this equation 1. Now, seventh term, A7 equal to A into R raised to 6, which is equal to 48, given. So we can find out R from here. You divide 2 by 1. You will be getting R squared is equal to 48 by 12, 4. Now, what are you being asked to find out? A9. So instead of finding R, you can directly find A9. How? A9 is A into R raised to 8. This is A into R raised to 6 into R squared. A into R raised to 6, that is A7, which we already know it is 48, and R squared is 4. So 48 into 4, you will be getting 192. So instead of finding out R and substituting here, you can find the answer by using R squared itself. Okay. So answer for that question is option C, 192. Okay. Thank you.